It's looking like a bummer of a summer for boating or going to the beach at Joe Pool Lake in Grand Prairie. The lake is still 13 feet above normal from spring flooding, making it too dangerous for boating or swimming. So the ramps and beaches are closed along with the Lynn Creek Marina and Oasis Restaurant. Officials say the closures are in effect for July 4th and probably into August. So the city will miss the boat on revenue for a second summer holiday.
And we estimate that we're going to lose somewhere in the neighborhood of $1 million in revenue this year because of the flooding. That's probably about 60% of our annual budgeted revenue.
Lloyd Park will be open on the 4th with a limited number of campsites and cabins, along with some picnic pavilions. For more information, call 972-237-4120. Meantime, federal and state relief is now available to Grand Prairie residents affected by the spring floods. The disaster aid includes grants for temporary housing, for repairs or other needs not covered by insurance, and low-interest loans for small businesses. On June 29th and June 30th, the Federal Emergency Management Agency and other disaster officials will be at the main library in Grand Prairie to help residents register and apply for assistance. You should bring your contact information, including proof of residency, insurance information, a description of the damage, and proof of your income.
So just be prepared to answer all the questions possible and bring all the documentation possible to go through that process and ultimately hopefully get an inspection date and time set up before you leave there.
Wheeler says residents can also register and apply for flooding relief by going online, by using the FEMA app on a smartphone, or by calling 800-621-FEMA.